Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at the all data monthly chart for CWEI. Now what's interesting here is this is a good example for what happens when a stock has uniform action when it moves above 69.1 and back below it. You can see here every time the stock has been moving above 69.1, it has been doing that with uniform action, which has been also corresponding to a high. Uniform action above 69.1 for the highs here in 2000. Uniform action rejection when trying to move and staying above 69.1 for the highs here in early 04. Uniform action rejection here for the highs of early 06. Uniform action above 69.1 and back below it for the highs here. Uniform action above 69.1 and back below it for the highs there. Uniform action above 69.1 and back below it for the highs here. And now it is trading above 69.1. So it's not out of the realm of possibilities that yet again the stock might go on to record uniform action above 69.1 and back below it. In fact, we can see possibility of this if we take a line connecting recent RSI highs. You can see that we are coming in contact exactly to where it is trading right now. So I can draw this a little bit different. So there's a chance this is good enough to question whether the stock can hold current levels, and keep in mind it has a history of forming uniform activity every time it comes to this level and being rejected as it moves back below 69.1. So besides the point of what is going to happen next, it could be that the next major direction is substantially down. Of course, there is that possibility. The key takeaway here is to understand what happens when stocks move above 69.1. Whenever they do this with uniform activity, it tends to correspond with some type of a top, and of course a pullback is what happens next. So be on the lookout for instruments that are making uniform activity rejection when they try to move above 69.1. One little bit of other observation is if you take the lows here in 2002, take this box here, you'll notice that it took almost 12 years to move from here to here. Now it's taken it 1 year to move from here to here. So you got 12 years and then 1 year, same distance. Obviously you have to be looking for a reason to expect a pullback based on what we've discussed here, and also given the fact that this move is so expansive, it covers the distance it took it to cover 12 years. Now it's doing it in 1 year. So be on the lookout for RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection, and also just the fact that the stock is traveled so far so quick in a short time, chances are it might run out of energy. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S.